This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher Davall. Updated 3-bedroom and 2-bath home in the heart of Oakland Park. Home features a bright and open floor plan, master suite split from other bedrooms, kitchen features shaker cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Refrigerator and microwave are new. Pantry off kitchen includes full-size front-loading washer and dryer. New impact windows and doors throughout. Screened patio off kitchen has a built-in bench and working fireplace, perfect for entertaining. Lush backyard is private, and has detached shed. Simply Safe alarm system conveys with home. A gem waiting for its new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher Davall at 954-296-7700.